as we're talking. Are you still there? This is some crazy stuff coming in Minneapolis. This is Saturday night. One more Saturday night. Here it is. It's coming. This is on the northwest suburbs of Minneapolis, and it's a strobe light out here. Get ready, kids. This is going to be a fun one. Woo! It is all the way around the house here. All the way around it, everywhere is a strobe light, and I'm not quite getting wet yet, but I know it's coming because the trees just started really moving. And whatever it is, it's getting windy. So get ready, folks. I'm going in. Take care. Peace.